In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send an invoice in PayPal. By the end, you'll know exactly how to fill in the essential details and send a professional invoice to your customer, all within a couple of minutes. Start by opening your browser and heading to PayPal. Sign into your account if you're not already. On the main dashboard, look for the Send and Request option along the top navigation. This is where PayPal keeps all the tools for sending money and requesting payments, including invoices. Click it to move into the invoicing tools. Next, choose Send an Invoice. This opens the Invoice Editor, your workspace for adding all the details your customer will see. Begin with the recipient information by entering the customer's email address. This is the address where PayPal will deliver the invoice, so double-check for typos to avoid delays or bounced emails. Before you add pricing, set the correct currency for the invoice. Select the currency that matches your agreement with the customer. Picking the right one up front helps prevent confusion around exchange rates and ensures the amount appears exactly as intended on their end. Now add a name. This is the title or item name that tells your customer what the invoice is for. Keep it clear and concise, something like Web Design Services or Consulting Session. If you want to provide clarity, make the name specific enough that the recipient recognizes it immediately. Enter the amount you're charging. Type the total you agreed on, making sure it aligns with your scope of work or product price. It's a good idea to pause and confirm that the amount and currency match your agreement. If you use a standard rate or a packaged price, enter that exact figure so your records stay consistent. Once everything looks good, go ahead and click Send. PayPal will finalize the invoice and deliver it to the email you provided. After it's sent, you'll see a confirmation screen. Click Done to wrap up and return to your account. From there, PayPal tracks the invoice status so you can see when it's viewed or paid. A few quick tips before we finish. Always verify the recipient's email and currency to avoid changes later. Include a clear name so the purpose is obvious, and review your total carefully. Remember that standard PayPal fees may apply when the invoice is paid. That's it. Your invoice is on its way, and you're ready to get paid securely through PayPal.